Hi friend! We continue my detailed organization and decor tour of each space in my mid-century modern, bohemian, tiny Southern California studio apartment by going into every cabinet and drawer of my bathroom and laundry room. Yes, because I had created a laundry room where there was no laundry room, I have these two spaces combined into one. You can find the full video tour of my apartment in a link in the description. The previous organized space I shared was my office. In my bathroom and laundry room, I organize our toiletries, hair tools, and laundry products. If you struggle to organize a tiny bathroom, you are in the right place. And if you don't like going to the laundromat, you are also in the right place. I share 22 organizing, cleaning, and functional decorating tips and my DIY laundry room in this video. In the description box below, you can find access to my freebie library, which includes all kinds of free resources so that you can easily get your spaces and your finances in order. Let's start with the decor, then we will get into the detailed organization of each cabinet and drawer. Before we moved, I told my daughter to choose our bathroom decor so we could have one room completed. Not one single piece of my previous furniture would fit in this tiny studio apartment, so we pretty much started over regarding getting every piece of furniture and decor for our new place. I always suggest starting with furnishing and decorating the smallest room when you move so that you could have one room completed and start to feel at home as soon as possible. Since the bathroom is typically the smallest, it's the best place to start. When deciding on your decorating theme, I suggest starting with the largest item, like your living room rug, for example. From this item, you will pull your inspiration for the rest of your room. In the bathroom, the largest item is typically the shower curtain. We purchased ours from Target. I will have everything you see in this video linked in the description box below. The next largest items in the bathroom are the towels and/or rugs. My rule for bathroom towels is that they must be white or light in color. The main reason is that towels must be washed in hot water, so white or light colors are ideal as bright or dark colors will fade when washed in hot water. White or light colored towels will look prettier longer. Also, white is just classic and spa-like, so you can't go wrong with nice white towels. Though our bathroom is tiny, we have space for 2 rugs or mats. I chose a bamboo mat for the area in front of the shower as bamboo is naturally antibacterial. We can stand there and dry off knowing we're standing on a clean surface. Then, I have a rug in front of the sink where we can stand and lotion up on a dry, comfortable surface. For our sink accessories, my daughter wanted to go bold with color. So we got this lovely green soap dispenser from Target, and this teal blue toothbrush holder is also from Target. Add pops of color to brighten up a small space. With the neutral decor of the black and white curtain and rug and the natural materials of the bamboo mat and baskets, these accessories bring life to this tiny corner of our apartment. Speaking of baskets, not only are baskets lovely to decorate with, they are great to organize with. So begins the tour of how I organize this tiny bathroom and laundry room. I like to make our own affordable natural homemade laundry products, and I show you how I do so in this video, which I link in the description. I store my collapsible clothes drying rack just behind my laundry products and on top of these shoe shelves. Using modular closet organizing systems can be the perfect solution for customizing storage in tight spaces. You can usually find the size of shelving you need for your space and purchase as few or as many pieces as you need. On the top shelf of the shoe shelves, these baskets in size extra small from the container store fit absolutely perfectly. They contain my daughter's body sprays in the basket on the left, some of her less commonly used products like a spray tanner in the middle basket, and our nail supplies in the basket on the right. The shelf below contains a bin of produce bags. Yes, produce bags. Reuse produce bags as small trash can liners. They are the perfect size to line our small trash can. Finally, I store toilet paper on the middle 2 shelves, and I can fit 8 large rolls, 2 deep and 4 across on each shelf. In the cabinet just outside the bathroom and under my bird cage, I store our ironing board and iron. This is the most compact ironing board ever. When organizing needs in a tiny space, search for the word collapsible or foldable to find the most compact version of the item. An otherwise typically large item like an ironing board can be found in a compact and portable size. Speaking of compact items, our washing machine is just across from the shoe shelves, and I will eventually share all about my small apartment laundry routine. This is one of the best purchases I have ever made, and again, I will have this along with everything else you see linked in the description box below. Here is another modular closet organizing solution. This shelf contains a hand towel holder, skin brush, and vintage container of reusable makeup remover pads on top. I was looking for decorative fingertip towels to hang on the hand towel holder, and I found that these bar mop towels from the Dollar Tree fit perfectly. I might embellish them with embroidery eventually. You only need to purchase one pack as they come in a pack of 2. On the shelves, we contain our hair tools in the top basket, including a hairdryer, curling wand, straightener, hairbrushes, and a protective pad. We contain homemade product ingredients, containers, essential oil bottle funnels, and essential oil bottle openers in the middle basket. And at the bottom, we contain some products that are in tall bottles. Yes, this medicine cabinet looks like it's 50 years old, and it probably is. To organize medicine cabinets, I always use drawer organizers. On the top shelf, I use 2 of these containers from the Dollar Tree to contain hair accessories, including hair ties, bobby pins, and hairstyling clips in the top container. And in the lower container, I contain some extra hair oils, floss, and deodorant samples. The small acrylic bin to the left of the drawer organizers contains a topsy tail, a small hair clip, and the brush that came with my hair dryer. You know, the one that is designed to clean your hair dryer vent. And as displayed in this middle shelf, we group items by size and category. The middle shelf contains tall toiletries in 2 layers. The front layer is composed of my daughter's facial cleansing products. The row behind contains our hairstyling products. And again, on the bottom shelf, I use another drawer organizer to contain small products. Narrow drawer organizers are typically the perfect depth to fit within the medicine cabinet and are perfect for containing small toiletries and accessories. These tiered organizers are from Made Smart brand and are great for all kinds of organizing purposes. I have 2 sets of these, and I use the brackets from one set to create a 3-tiered organizer on the right side of the cabinet. This was necessary under this sink as the piping sticks out much more on the left side of the cabinet. It is important to be okay with empty space. There is no need to fill a space for the sake of filling a space, especially if you don't need the items you are using to fill the space. On the left, I contain my hot roller set along with its hair clips. In the top drawer on the right, I contain all things medicinal and first aid. Within the middle tiered organizer drawer, I stack 2 of these Dollar Tree organizers on top of each other. To contain lots of different types of small items, you can stack drawer organizers on top of each other to maximize space in deeper drawers. The top organizer contains tubes of scrub, bars of soap, and compact feminine products. The lower organizer contains the packets for a nasal irrigation container, a tin to contain old razors. Once the tin is full, I can throw it in the recycling, and a safety razor with razor refills. Next to these stacked organizers, I contain additional feminine products. In the bottom drawer, I contain toothpaste, toothbrushes, cotton swabs, and washcloths. If you require a shower curtain like we do, I think these shower curtain hooks are a must. Not only do they make it easy to hang your decorative curtain and your liner, they make it easy to take one curtain down at a time when you are laundering each. Also, you can hang items on the outside of the curtain like towels or skin brushes. And on the inside, you can hang loofahs and pumice stones. In our shower, we use a freestanding caddy to contain all our products. Since our shower head is handheld, the tubing didn't make it convenient to use the caddy that you hang on the shower head, so a freestanding caddy is ideal for us. Since my daughter and I have multiple items that are identical, we created a rule. Her items are on the right and mine are on the left. So a tip for organizing for two is to designate a side. For example, our toothbrushes, towels, robes, and razors are identical. So her toothbrush, towel, etc. is on the right and mine is on the left. Another rule you can create depending on your options for storage is to designate whose item will be higher or lower. For example, we have identical shower mitts, so hers is hung higher on the shower caddy and mine is lower. We decided hers would be higher because she is taller. You can do the same if you have towel rods or hooks hung one above the other. For households with more than two, you can label items by initial, number, color, or letter. If you would like more ideas or clarification on that, let me know in the comments below. If you have lots of categories of items to organize too, grab your free organizing resources in the link below. Be sure to subscribe as I share the organization and decor of my kitchen next. Happy organizing!